How to hide apps on Android and find the hidden apps. For that, you have to go to settings. Before that, as you can see, Instagram is being shown on my home screen of mobile. So in order to hide this application, go to settings. Now scroll down and go to privacy. Next to permission, you can see privacy. Tap on it and tap on hide apps. Now you have to enter the privacy password. So once you have verified, you need to select the Instagram application here and toggle on Instagram. Now as you can see and check on your home screen, the application has been successfully hidden. In order to find that hidden app, you have to go to settings and go to hide apps again on privacy and again enter the privacy password. Then next to all you can see hidden, tap on it and here you can see all the list of the hidden apps. If you want to unhide, you can toggle off the button and easily unhide as well. That's how we easily hide apps and find hidden apps on Android. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.